Hey guys, welcome back to Stock My Closet. For sleeves, I have cut out this rectangular piece of fabric. Sleeve length is 9 inch, including 1 inch for seam allowance. And for this sleeve, we need fabric double the length. So in my measurement, sleeve length is 9 inch and I have cut out fabric 18 inch. Width is also equal to the length 18 inch. Now I'll fold the fabric by half in width. And now again fold it by half in length. Take this corner as center which has both sides on fold. Now I'll mark the length, that is 9 inch. Mark the same length on the other side. Now keep the measuring tape on the top corner and mark length, that is 9 inch, to the other side with a curve like this. So I've marked the length. Now I'll pin it up. It will keep the fabric in place. And now I'll cut it out. Now I'll mark small tuck on the both corners. Remove the pins and open the sleeve. So I got this circle. It could be small or big depending on the length of sleeve you have taken. Here I'm cutting only single sleeve. This is one layer of fabric. Now I'll join the tucks I have marked earlier with horizontal and vertical lines like this. Now to draw armhole, I need radius, and for that just measure your armhole round and divide it by 3.14. In my measurement, armhole round is 14 inch and dividing it by 3.14, I'll get 4.5 inch. From the center, mark 4.5 inch on any line you want. And now I'll mark center or midpoint of 4.5 inch, that is 2.25 inch. And now taking this midpoint as center, I'll draw the circle of 2.25 inch. Just keep the measuring tape on the center and mark 2.25 inch all around like this. And now I'll cut it out. And now I'll mark tuck on both upper and bottom side of the armhole. So with this, sleeve cutting is complete. Now I'll show you how to attach it with the body's armhole. This center tuck on the smaller side of the sleeve will attach on the bottom side of the armhole, and this center tuck on the longer side of the sleeve will get attached on the top side of the armhole. I have taken right side of bodies and I have folded sleeve by half right side together. Join bottom side of center of both sleeve and body's armhole and pin it up. So I have pinned it up and now I'll make a stitch on the armhole. So I have attached the sleeve. Now I'll overlock it. And lastly, I'll finish bottom round of the sleeve, and for that I have folded and ironed the seam allowance. And now I'll make a stitch on the inner edge to secure it. As this is full circle, you will find it a little bit difficult to finish the edges, so it's better if you fold and iron the seam allowance. And also, while stitching, make tiny pleats wherever you feel fabric is extra and it's necessary to get the proper finishing. Channel for more such videos. So and I'll see you next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye. The sleeves are ready, and this is how it looks. It's a really nice pattern and it goes very well with tops and dresses, so do give it a try. And if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe my